My friends, I want to thank Third Phase of Moon for first posting this footage that they received from one of their subscribers, and I'm going to do my own breakdown of it here. Also, I hope you guys go over to the GUFON Channel tonight between 8:30 and 9. He's having a live stream on the Christmas comet, and he'll be featuring the video we posted here on the Into Thin Air channel connecting that comet with the movie Don't Look Up. It's going to be awesome. I hope to see you all there. We're going to break this all down right here, right now. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody. December 27th, 2021, 5:51 p.m., and we're going to have some fun with this. We got something going on between Venus and Earth. You are looking at our stereo ahead HI2 camera, and yes, you are also seeing the Christmas comet or Comet Leonard, whatever you want to call it, one letter off the name Leonardo. And before I even attempt to break down what we are seeing here, I'm going to give you guys a quick example of what we're looking at, and to do that, we're going to use a website called Solar System Scope, and it's a very cool website where you can go into the solar system and see where the planets were at any given time, either in the past or where they'll be in the future. And I want to use this to orient ourselves to let you know what we're looking at on the stereo ahead camera. So obviously these are not to scale. This is Earth and Venus. I'll put them to scale very quickly for the sake of the video. All right, now basically picture yourself as the stereo camera looking at Venus and Earth. I'll bring up a snapshot right here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'll go ahead and zoom in and then add a picture of the stereo ahead camera, and there we go. And this will make things a lot easier for us to understand moving forward. So now we've established that we have Venus right here, and then we have the Earth here, and the sun is just off frame. But you're going to see these clouds and sort of waves coming off the sun and moving in this direction, and that's what this camera does. It kind of takes pictures of the solar wind in almost a negative format. That's why you're seeing these camera artifacts as well. These straight lines are just representing that we're looking at solid objects or planets. And also in this video, you're going to see the Christmas comet coming right out of this direction, and those are just the things we're supposed to be seeing. Because in my opinion, I feel like we've seen something on this video that we were not supposed to really see. And you're seeing that right now. Take a look at this object that comes in from behind Earth. You can see it right here, and then it starts to release some sort of protective shield, a parachute. I'm going to go ahead and take manual control of this. As the comet passes through, it almost looks like the tail of the comet is flowing into whatever this object is, or whatever this object released. And I say force field because I had watched the Third Phase of Moon video, and that was some of their opinions about what we're seeing here. Almost as if an object came in from behind the Earth just as the comet was coming through, or just as we're getting close to Venus. Whatever the reason may be, this object releases this giant thing. And also keep in mind scale here. If these objects are even remotely close to each other or close to the Earth, we could see Earth as this little dot right here, which means this object that came in from behind Earth might even be bigger. And then you got to take a look at what was released from it. And I say released because it slowly releases out of this object. It's almost like some sort of giant balloon, a parachute, or some sort of protective shield it could be. This is actually a pretty unbelievable clip. I'm going to go ahead and play the clip all the way through and just let you guys watch. And remember, that object is right here already. We can see the round edges of it. We can see where the comet's coming in. And now just take a look at this. Unbelievable. We're now on December 7th. Now it's December 10th, December 13th, 15th, 17th, 18th, and here is the 20th. And by this time, this thing is well past Earth. It's sitting right here with that dot in the middle, and it literally looks like it's got some sort of shield blocking the view, or blocking something coming from Venus. It could be blocking some of the solar wind, if this is even something that's blocking something. That's why I'm putting this video out here and trying to get more eyes on it after Third Phase of Moon did a review on it. And I can assure you, this is not something you see on this camera often, if ever. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. This clear cut of an object coming in from behind Earth with clear structure to it. I'll go ahead and hit play again. You can see the solar wind coming off the sun. Sorry about the flash. And then there's the comet. And just as the tail of the comet is passing by, it seems like this thing is catching its dust. It could be just the timing, and these things could be very, very far apart, but there is something going on between the Earth and Venus, and that's why I'm throwing this out to you guys. What do you think we are looking at here? And again, if this thing is close to Earth, we're looking at an object that's quite literally bigger than planet Earth, and then whatever this shield is, this parachute thing, is 3 and 4 times bigger than Earth. And if all this isn't weird enough, we need to focus on the dates for a second, because my buddy Chris, who sends me amazing footage and pictures all the time, he's a sky watcher. I'll leave his link and his channel in the description box. But on the date of December 17th, he sent me pictures of Venus that he was filming live at that time. And he sends me a message saying that Venus seems to be being eclipsed by something. And he sent me a series of pictures that show this eclipse taking place on Venus beginning on the 17th. And it's continuing as you and I speak, but it's just very odd how on the 17th is when this shield or this force field thing starts to be released. It's also just as the comet is lined up with Venus. Even though the distances are confusing, it's just weird how all this stuff lines up and then is captured on the stereo ahead camera. I want to be clear though, we don't have any proof that there's a known eclipse going on Venus, but it certainly looked like it, and it was gradually getting more and more covered in shadow. So I'm still reaching out to try to figure out anything like that, but I just think it adds a little bit to what we're seeing on the stereo ahead video. It could be some sort of explanation if we even figure out what is going on up there. But at the absolute least, this is an incredible video that I feel like is going to kind of blow up. People are going to be analyzing this for a while. Again, it was first released by Third Phase of Moon, and it was sent to them by somebody else. But this is not the last you're going to hear about it. I'll be digging into this situation, and we'll be doing more space weather stuff, as well as doing some work with GUFON News and Third Phase. So that's going to be exciting. I hope you guys all go to the live stream tonight. It's between 8:30 and 9. Richie from GUFON is going to be talking about the Christmas comet and the connection to Don't Look Up, specifically the video we posted on the Christmas comet. So that's also going to be really cool. Definitely go check that out. I'll leave his channel in the description as well. Other than that, my friends, that is all I got for you for now. I hope you're having a great evening. I hope you are all staying warm or cool, depending on where you live in this yin-yang country we're in right now. It's one extreme or the other. Shout out to Canada. I will talk to you all in the next video. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all, and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.